We've never seen the rain so hard that it stands in our yard this much. But we just had a very hard rainstorm. This is my GoPro 10 camera that I've been testing out, and I think I'm going to ride over to the creek and see how much the creek has came up after this hard rain. I hope y'all enjoy this video. This is our real pretty creek that we love to come to all the time. We had a very hard rain just a little while ago, so the creek is flooding right now. It will probably even get higher than it is now. Let me walk up here a little closer to the bridge and show you how it looks up here. There's a lot of water running through here, and the water is back over there in the park. It's actually running through in a couple places over there, like it's cutting a new creek. And we have seen this a lot higher than this before. I just want to run down here and take a quick look at it. While I'm down here, I'm going to drive down to the other church and see how it looks down at the other church. Okay, this is the SilverCreek Presbyterian Church, and the water's running pretty hard here too. We walk over here on the other side of the bridge and give you a picture looking back at the bridge. Okay, there's the bridge. The water laps about a foot being to the top of to the bottom of the bridge. And there's my car on the other side of the bridge. Marie prefers not to drive over the bridge when it's flooding like this. Okay, I think while I'm out driving, look at those pretty azalea bushes over there. I'm not sure how good this camera will pick them up from this angle. But let me walk over real close. But I think while I'm out driving, that I'm going to go on over to the Lindale, what we call the duck pond over there, and see how it's doing over there. We'll get a little closer here. Aren't those flowers pretty today? Again, there's the creek. I'm going to get back up here to the car now, and we'll go over to the Lindale pond over there and check that out and see what it looks like over there. Well, that water's running pretty good right now. And of course, we're going to obey the signs. No diving and no jumping in the water today. Don't think the ducks like this water when it's moving real fast. There's a few of them over there on the far side that's in the water that's not flowing. There it is going under the bridge. Okay, all this water will continue to flow till it gets to the main river up in Rome, and from there it goes on down to the other place that we like to go to called the Locking Dam. And the Locking Dam, the water was already high before we got this hard rain, so I'll probably wait till tomorrow and ride down there and see how much the water levels have came up at the Locking Dam. Maybe a little noise to hear with all the traffic driving by, but like I said, I'll wait till tomorrow and go down to the Locking Dam and check it out down there and see how it's doing. And of course, and there's our vehicle, and there's the smokestacks from the old Wendell Mill. It's a little dark right now, so I'm not sure how good the video will turn out. This is my new camera that I've been testing out for the last week, and so far I'm enjoying it. And let me see if I can get Marie to wave at us. I don't know if you can see her through the window, but let me see if I can get her to wave at us. Marie, tell everyone hey.
Hi everyone. Kevin's got me out here in this bad weather.
Okay everyone, just want to show you a little bit of what's going on. And so y'all have a great day, and we'll see you on our next video.
Bye, and y'all do what you love and love what you do, and like Kevin said, we'll see you on the next video.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here